It's a known fact that artificial intelligence is quickly taking over the audio-to-text conversion sector. That means finding transcription jobs in Kenya is becoming more challenging daily. That, however, doesn't make it impossible, as there's still a need for human transcribers. Naturally, transcriptionists fear that AI is taking our jobs away, and that we might not be able to continue earning a living doing online transcription. While it's pretty normal to have such reservations, we must understand that AI hasn't been able to replace humans fully. As AI continues to make strides in the online transcription sector, it has been unable to replicate innate human skills like contextual understanding. For that reason, there'll always be a need for human transcriptionists in various sectors in the country and globally. This video shall help you understand online transcription better, including how to find the jobs and what you need to get started. Here's what we shall focus on. What's transcription? What are the advantages of online transcription jobs? How much can you make doing transcription jobs? What do you need for online transcription? How do you find the best online transcription jobs for beginners? What are the best online transcription sites? Before we continue, Cent Warriors, please support us in our goal for the next few months to reach 50,000 subscribers. We want our tribe to keep growing. Please help us by subscribing and hiking the video, since this helps YouTube recommend our content more. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, be sure to check out the description below this video for more details on the best online investment opportunities in Kenya. Please stay tuned because this is where the video gets exciting. Let's dive in. Are you encountering the transcription for the first time? Transcription is simply audio-to-text conversion. The people who do that are transcriptionists or transcribers, and their job is to listen to the audio file, type the information down, and ensure it makes sense. So, transcriptionists also proofread and edit the transcript before submitting it. They ensure the final transcript is free from obvious errors, imprecisions, and inconsistencies. Transcriptionists generally handle a variety of audio files, which include the following: lectures, interviews, interrogations, podcasts, YouTube videos, recorded speeches, music recordings, TV ads, podcasts, sermons, among others. What are the benefits of online transcription jobs in Kenya? Working as an online transcriber in Kenya comes with an array of advantages, which include the following: flexible schedule. Online transcription allows you to choose your work time. You decide when to do these jobs and for how long. Job flexibility. You get to freelance as an online transcriptionist. That means you can work from anywhere, including the corridors of your bedroom or your humble home in the village. Decent pay. You can make up to $10 or more per audio hour on most online transcription job sites. If you do a quick conversion, you'll average over 1,300 Kenya shillings per hour at the current rate. If you do 3 hours daily, you'll make close to 4,000 Kenya shillings daily, which is quite good. Low investment. You need a computer, noise isolation headphones, stable internet, and a foot pedal, optional. These initial supplies don't require a considerable investment, especially if you already have a few. Work-life balance. At the end of the day, work without play will make you a dull boy. Online transcription frees you enough time to attend to other areas of your life, such as family and interests, contributing to work-life balance. Cost saving. You don't incur unnecessary commuting expenses since you work from home. You can also cook at home and don't have to spend much money on official clothes. In the long run, this type of work is cost-saving. How much does transcription pay in Kenya? Payscale.com says the average hourly pay for online transcriptionists in Kenya is 225 Kenya shillings. Payscale.com, however, mentions the possibility of expert transcriptionists, especially in medical and legal transcription, making as much as 2,000 Kenya shillings per hour. Monthly Glassdoor estimates online transcriptionists to average 20,000 to 60,000 Kenya shillings, excluding bonuses, commissions, and other benefits. The additional perks average 58,000 to 62,000 Kenya shillings per month. What do you need for online transcription jobs? Here's a quick guide to what you need for online transcription. 1. Tools, supplies. You need at least these supplies as a beginner transcriber. Computer, PC or laptop. Stable internet, at least 10 Mbps. Noise isolation headphones. Ergonomic chair. 2. Skills. Here are the essential skills for online transcription. Good listening skills. Excellent typing speed, at least 60 words per minute. Good research. Basic proofreading and editing skills. Good grammar, sharp memory, attention to detail, basic computer knowledge, especially MS Office. Training. Consider free training like Transcribe Anywhere mini course to learn about the basics or any other you may find. You can also visit the awesome Transcribers of Kenya on Facebook, where you can find guys offering transcription training locally and elsewhere, as well as jobs and recommendations for their trainees. How do you find the best online transcription jobs for beginners? You can find good online transcription jobs by 1. Specializing. Transcription jobs come in different forms, and here are the common types. Medical transcription. Medical transcription jobs involve medical-related recordings such as audio for patient history and medical reports. Clients offering medical transcription jobs in Kenya come from the health sector, including hospitals, clinics, and private medical consultation facilities. Legal transcription. As the name suggests, legal transcription deals with court-related recordings such as interrogations and client testimonies. Academic transcription. This form of transcription deals with school-related audio recordings such as lectures, tutorials, and seminars. General transcription. Unlike the other transcription categories, general transcription is non-specific. You handle recordings on various disciplines, such as interviews, meetings, podcasts, video ads, and YouTube videos. 2. Checking job boards. Local job boards like Brighter Monday, Career Point Kenya, and My Job Mag usually post transcription jobs to which you can apply. So, check the sites out and set alerts for these jobs. Don't forget international job boards like LinkedIn Jobs, Indeed, and FlexJobs, which could land you clients from abroad who pay much better than local clients. 3. Try freelancing sites. Consider Upwork, peopleperhour.com, Fiverr, or any other online freelancing site you know. These sites allow you to bid on transcription jobs, work with clients globally, and earn in dollars. 4. Checking general marketplaces. You can also find online freelance jobs from general marketplaces like Gigi and Craigslist. Just customize the search to suit your area and hit the search button. 5. Consider the payment route. Most transcription companies pay via PayPal. So, consider setting up one. The good news is that you can now withdraw from PayPal to M-Pesa seamlessly and fast. One job site with transcription jobs in Kenya that pay through M-Pesa is Upwork. 6. Avoid transcription accounts for sale in Kenya. Though it's tempting to buy a transcription job account from sites like AccountsPlace, GG, OnlineWritingCentral.com, and Biashara, you should avoid them. Reason. You could lose your hard-earned money to scammers who have the account penalized or closed. Even if that doesn't happen, it could be a while before you can have your money back, as some of these accounts cost as much as 80,000 to 100,000 Kenya shillings. What are the best transcription sites in Kenya? Now that you know how to find online transcription jobs, here are reputable sites offering these jobs in Kenya. 1. Scribe. Scribe is a beginner-friendly transcription site that offers generation transcription jobs to applicants worldwide. You can make $5 to $20 per audio hour on Scribe, and up to $5 in bonuses for every successful 3 hours working on site. 2. SpeechPad. SpeechPad allows you to make $0.25 to $250 per audio minute doing general transcription. They pay twice a week via PayPal and accept applicants from around the globe, just like Scribe. 3. Transcribe Me. Transcribe Me is another beginner-friendly transcription job site with general transcription jobs. The job site pays up to $15 to $22 per audio hour, making it one of the highest payers in the world. 4. Crowdsurf. Crowdsurf pays you for every complete task, and you can average $0.10 per task. You must do at least 20 tasks, and they usually pay thrice weekly. 5. Casting Words. Casting Words allows you to make $0.085 to $1.00 per audio minute doing transcription, and up to $150 per month. You need to sign up for an account, customize it, and wait for Casting Words to match you with the correct transcription job. 6. Go Transcript. On average, Go Transcript pays $0.06 per audio minute for transcription jobs, and their payouts are on Fridays. This job site offers ample training on transcription but requires you to have good grammar, editing, and typing skills. 7. BabbleType. BabbleType hires transcribers who are pretty proficient in English alongside translators. There, you can make $1.30 to $1.60 per audio minute. 8. 3Play Media. 3Play Media also requires its transcribers to be proficient in English and pays $10 to $25 per audio hour. In addition to transcription, they also offer translation and live captioning jobs. 9. AlexMwangi. AlexMwangi accepts transcriptionists globally and pays $0.005 per word. This site, however, requires you to complete a transcript within 2 hours, thus making it more demanding than most sites. 10. Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing site, meaning you must set up an account and bid for transcription jobs. Their hourly pay rate averages $17 to $22, making it a high-paying platform for transcription and online writing jobs in Kenya. Now click the link in the description below to check out how to invest 1,000 Kenya shillings and the best online jobs in Kenya without investment. See you in the next video.